Do you ever wake up in the morning feeling frustrated, trapped, and stressed? Are you ready and willing to do something about it, but you just don't know how? We're going to show you a very real solution to the problems facing many Americans today. USA Today recently reported that 76% of Americans say they experience significant stress and that money is the cause of that stress, followed by a very close second to what they do to earn it, their job. It's not surprising that we feel trapped. Much of that financial stress comes from payments looming over us like a dark cloud. Based on Federal Reserve statistics, the average household has over $7,000 of debt just on credit cards alone. And that doesn't even include cars, houses, medical bills, and everything else. Next comes our job. According to Forbes magazine, 65% of people are currently dissatisfied with their job, saying they feel stuck and would much rather start their own business. The only thing holding them back is their fear of not knowing what to do and how to do it. How about a solution that's simple, reliable, and affordable?
Motor Club of America, the nation's fastest growing auto club that pays. Would you like to get your hands on cash like this every week? Then listen up, because I'm going to tell you about an opportunity that is making real people thousands of dollars every week working from home. Motor Club of America has been in business since 1926, provides great membership benefits, and services the United States and Canada. Has this ever happened to you? In 2005, over 400,000 vehicles needed roadside assistance in the United States alone. MCA provides roadside assistance for disabled vehicles. And that's not all. MCA Total Security memberships packages include hotel and travel discounts, emergency reimbursement discounts, up to 50% off vision and dental care, and up to 65% off of prescriptions. So what does this all mean for you? MCA is looking for highly motivated self-starters who want to spread the word about our services. And in return, we'll pay you $80 per referral you send us. Our associates are paid weekly via check or direct deposit, and in order to become an associate, you must also carry our services. You will be able to take advantage of having the security of roadside assistance, plus all of the benefits that our total security package has to offer. Not to mention, you will be enrolled as an MCA associate, giving you the opportunity to earn thousands weekly in the process. Need an extra $800 per week? Simply refer our services to 10 people who sign up, and $800 will be paid directly to you via check or direct deposit the very next week. Payouts are every Friday, and we have a customer support team and staff ready to assist in case of any questions. To get started, you will need to fill out the form and sign up for our total security package, which is only $40. You will instantly become an associate and receive your membership ID, and you can start to spread the word immediately.
Hey, what's up everybody? Riding Walker here, and it's been a minute since I made a video, so let's go ahead and just do an update, see how things have been going. Payments, you can see, these have been steady, you know, almost 4 G's a week. I can deal with that. I can live with that. I can definitely live with that. Looks like we've been around about the same week after week after week. But let's see, that's 3,600 times 52 weeks in a year. Let's shoot this.
So in the last month, I've made over $9,400. On Friday, I got $1,700. Last Friday, $2,200. The Friday before that, $1,600. You guys could see where I'm getting at. So over $9,400 in a month. So as you could see, all of my payments are there. Every single Friday, there hasn't been a Friday that I have not gotten paid, whether I work it full time, whether I work it 1 hour, 2 hours, whatever I work. The amount of work that I put in is what I make. So as you can see, every single Friday since I started in 2013, there hasn't been a single Friday since I haven't gotten paid. On 2/20 I got 17, on 2/13 I got 2,200, on 2/6 I got 1,600, on 1/30 I got 1,300, over here I got 2,400. You could see where I'm coming at. Keeps getting different numbers, 1,300, 1,600.
Alright, so yep, as you can see, just got out of the bank. I got a deposit of, let's see, $1,266.93 from TVC MCA. You see that right there. Alright, now I have, let's see, 1, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900, 1,000, 1,100, 1,200, 1,250, 60, 65, and 66. $1,266, all made in 1 week, guys, off of a $40 investment. Like, this is what it can get you in 1 week. I was making $750 every 2 weeks at my lame 9-to-5 call center job. That was not working out for me, so I took the step to spend my $40, the best $40 I have ever spent in my life, and I can tell you I made a lot of money on a weekly basis.